Hisense 55-inch smart TV. The problem is horizontal line rolling, so I turn on. So I will teach you how to repair. This is 3-in-1 board. I remove one resistance from the VGH signal. Now I put 100 ohm resistance. So let's do it now. Okay, done. Now let's try. I already remove one and two. These two resistance I already removed from here. This is VGL signal and this is VGH signal. So I already jumper. And here I put 100 ohm resistance. Now let's try. Okay, done. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.